This video is brought to you by Landerize.com. Create highly optimized landing pages in minutes. Get your 14-day free trial in the description below this video.
All right, so now we're going to talk about the visibility indicator. So this tool, the visibility indicator, it tends to show the level to which your campaign bid is competitive, and it averages these three factors. First, internal competition, which is the percentage of traffic your campaign won against other campaigns on Zeropark. Next is going to be your external competition, the percentage of traffic your campaign won against outside bidders. And then your historic levels for traffic you want to buy based on your campaign filters. So in Zeropark, you have 5 levels of visibility. All right, so first you have very high, where you win most of the traffic available, and increasing your bid further will not result in a significant increase in traffic. Then you have high, where you have a highly competitive bid, and increasing your bid further will result in an incremental increases of traffic. And then you have your bid is at average level, where you're winning 15 to 20% of available traffic volumes, and increasing your bid will allow you to win much more traffic. And then you have low, where your bid is not competitive at all, and increasing your bid will result in higher volumes and better quality traffic. And then you have very low, where your bid is just too low, and increasing your bid will result in significant increases in volume and quality. So this is extremely useful when you're trying to optimize your bidding strategy and see where your ad spend should be allocated properly.